Rock me when I trade. By the way, yeah, we got 30 seconds to go, but rock me to answer your question. When I trade, if I were to buy 3,000 shares at my price, all around trip, it's going to cost me about like $7, $8. All right, guys, 20 seconds to go. Keeping a close eye here on Dropbox.
Good luck, everyone.
And TTD. Is that the one I want to watch? Yeah, I'll keep it on watch here.
Look for a dip on TTD before long. Ding, ding. Let's go.
All right, bell's open.
Ooh, Dropbox. Coming down. TTD. Squeeze.
Yeah, TTD's squeezing. I don't want to try and hop in on the squeeze.
No. It's a seller's candle. Wow, Dropbox getting hammered. Give me a bounce back, man.
Yeah, Roku's starting to squeeze up here a little bit. OSTK is starting to dump. OLED is trying to push higher here. So just watching for right now. Dropbox starting to pop up a little bit.
Yeah, no, I'm shorting Dropbox right now. 31.5 is my risk. Let's go. Boom.
Good job on the nail there. I didn't trade that. Just something wasn't sitting with me for the trade on that. Watching Roku here. Roku looks like it's trying to pop.
Taking half first.
I took 300 shares on Roku, but I meant to be buying more than that. So I just added in a little bit more on Roku here, anticipating us to squeeze a little bit. Yeah, I took a high entry there. Should have known better. That's all right. So holding Roku right now. I'm going to see if it wants to squeeze up a little bit more for us. Good trade there on Roku, or not Roku, Dropbox Matrix. So currently holding long on Roku, looking for it to give us a little bit of a pop.
Dropbox going to want to retest the VWAP in the 3150s, in which I want to add if it fails. TTD's failing. We're seeing TTD buyer's candle too. It's right at support of pre-market.
So I'm still holding Roku here. It's holding the 200 moving average pretty well. Took a late entry on it. Now it's kind of just playing the game of hoping it holds this 200 moving average and then pops over 57.40. There goes the squeeze, and I'm going to exit there. And I took the late entry, but so I did get out there for a small win of 139. That's what I get for taking a late entry. So small win. To be completely honest, that was more a little bit lucky that we got that last little squeeze there. But sorry guys, let me get that up for you. All right, so momentum scanner is now up. OLED went on a nice little rip there.
Okay, so the SPY is bouncing a little bit.
Look at that squeeze on Roku. So this is where I could maybe justify taking a short position on Roku. Well, let's see. This might be a 2-day run. Yeah, look at that. Booming.
Gonna just add it here on Dropbox. 3150s. Come on.
So Roku is now over yesterday's high a day. I'm paying close eye on Dropbox. I think this might go for a red to green, just being patient with it. Oh yeah, this might squeeze like crazy. So it's over the 200 moving average. Oh yeah, this wants it. Hell. I'm taking it long. I just longed it. Even I'm longing it high. I think it's got the squeeze in it. There, it's starting to squeeze. Getting ready to sell some of it. Just sold a little bit on Dropbox there. I took the rest off. I took a high entry, so I'm gonna wait for it to pull back. So I exited there on Dropbox, but I will look to re-long because it's definitely got that squeeze potential in it now.
Yeah, I don't think he can get over 32.
You don't think it's gonna break the 32s?
No.
That's kind of a key level. You're right.
Got my average up to 31.70s. 32 breaks, I'm all out. Oh man, it's going.
Yeah, I just relonged here, right at 31.97. Looking for it to break $2. If it doesn't, I'll just get out right away. Let's go. Get over 32. Get over 32. Let's go. Squeeze all these shorts. Boom.
I'm out.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, I got hit.
Oh, nice. Don't do that. Don't come down on me now. You can't break 32 and then not keep squeezing. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Still holding long on Roku. Looking for us to continue to squeeze now that we've broken through that key level. It is a little extended. And let's see what we got. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Come on. Keep squeezing. Boom. We're up about $1,000 almost on the trade. Going to look to sell some here. So selling 1,700 shares out of my 2,700 share position. Still holding 1,000 shares currently. And I might just sell the rest there and lock that in. So that was a nice $570 trade there for me on Dropbox. So that's going to put me up to $710 on the day. So happy about that. Roku's going through a nice little pullback right now. I might consider hopping in Roku. Yeah, it looks like it wants to squeeze again.
Holy, what a drop.
Yeah, look at that drop there on Dropbox. Yeah, but this just looks like another kind of a dip buy entry there. Let's see what it does. Down to that level. Yeah, this is going to start like whipsawing. Roku, keep an eye on Roku. Roku's up to 58.28. It's having some trouble there. It's already a big move on the day as well. What's Tesla doing? Forgot to watch Tesla. Yikes. Tesla just got annihilated. So there goes Roku kind of popping up as I was talking about it.
I'm long on Dropbox using 31.50s.
I would say I kind of like that. I'm kind of watching it too. Yeah, this is kind of the key moment. Shorts are going to try and push it lower. The buyers are going to try and keep it up at this like VWAP level. So I might consider taking a trade there on it as well. To the long side, we'll see.
Holy cow, I just got killed.
Wow. Look at that drop.
Okay, I just got hit.
All right, now that Dropbox dropped like that, we're going to start wedging. We should start a wedge pattern now on Dropbox. So I took it long. I'm anticipating this is going to start doing a wedge pattern where we're going to start popping up towards like the highs again. So I just longed it here at the bottom.
No.
towards this trend line. Because I anticipate we're going to start wedging. So we should start squeezing back and forth from lows to highs. So I might take it off for a scalp trade if it can't get over the VWAP here. Do have some sellers racking up on the sell side. Of course, Thinkorswim freezing every day now. It's a rough life for Thinkorswim. There it goes, starting to squeeze up again as expected. So I'm going to take that trade off. There we go. I'm all out for that scalp trade on Dropbox for another about a $400 win. That'll put me up to $100 or $1,254 on the day. Now I'm going to just kind of hang back. Actually, I need to do something on my phone for a quick second.
Holy TDD.
TTD, let's see, where is it at?
Oh my God, 120 and change, 121 coming up.
Wow, what a miss. It's okay. Roku's pretty weak here. I'm going to take, I still have Roku on the chart. Yeah, so here goes Dropbox trying to push lower. I'm definitely not shorting that. I'd be shorting the low. Not going to do that.
I'm already short from 31.5.
Nice. Good trade. OSTK is getting super choppy.
Just took half at the 25 mark.
Okay, watching Roku. Roku's on the VWAP right now. I'm wondering if this is going to fail and just start kind of plummeting through the VWAP back down towards low a day, because that was the spike. We broke to the new 52-week high, immediately failed, and now it's coming down. Yeah, I think the sellers are going to start hammering this thing down.
TTD going.
I was almost going to take short there on what's it called, but on Roku I didn't. That's okay. So yeah, here goes the squeeze on Dropbox again. I think this is going to be more of I think this might start squeezing back to the upside. I'm going to wait for like a little bit of a curl here. I'm going to see if it curls, and if it does, I'm taking this long. Just watching it for right now. If Dropbox starts to do like some type of curl up towards the 3180s price point, I will definitely be looking at a long trade here. Roku's, again, looking a little weak here, guys. All right, I'm just got in short on Roku. It's just breaking back down below the 200 moving average. Looking for a panic sell-off on Roku. Come on, let's go. Panic sell Roku. Entered short, looking for it to test low of day. Boom, let's go. Oh, missed the take. P&L's jumping over like crazy, up and down, up and down. P&L minus 25. Yeah, missed the take there. I should probably exit just because it's coming back on me, so I'll be risking a little bit of a squeeze.
Get over 32, John.
There we go. Come back down. Oh, you sucker. All right. Next time Roku gives me a little bit of a profit, I'm going to take it because I did short the low a little bit, so I do run the risk of getting squeezed up here. I'd rather not, and it's basically starting to. I'll give it a second. You know what? I'll trust the trade. I'll trust it. I'll trust it to come back up, maybe reject on the VWAP and have another rollover. Oh, but Dropbox looks way more juicy right now.
I need it over 32. Are you serious? Sorry, guys.
So still holding short here on Roku. Not that I really, really want to be, but I'm trying to be patient with this, let it go through this mini poll and see if we get another drop to the downside, which would make sense. We kind of failed and had a sharp sell-off, so I am kind of favoring the downside. Oh, don't go that way, go the other way. Yeah, Roku's looking like it's trying to squeeze up a little bit here, so I'm gonna take it off. I took a late entry, and you know that's what it's gonna cost you there. So unfortunately, I just took back some of my gains. That's okay. Took a late entry, kind of chased it down. Did recognize it, got out before it squeezed up a little bit more. So might be a new entry there on that in a second. Still watching Dropbox here. It's holding up pretty well. Might look to start taking it long. Yeah, I just hopped in long on Dropbox. So I'm now currently long Dropbox, anticipating we're going to start squeezing a little bit. We kind of broke through these trend lines ahead on my chart. We're up over 32 again. It's kind of holding that 9. It's trying to push higher, having some trouble. So currently long on it. Just going to hold it for now, unless it starts breaking down below the previous red candle. Previous red candle will be my exit point. I think it's got the strength. I mean, I know there's shorts in here that are just trying to hold out, but they might start getting them squeezed here. Yeah, buddy, there you go. A lot of sellers just try to pile in. Come on, get over 32. If we can get over 32, it should be a nice. So I'm going to sell a little bit, lock in some profit. So I just sold 1,700 shares just to lock in the money on the trade. And then I got 1,000 shares still riding out on it. So still holding 1,000 shares here on a Dropbox. We'll sell 500 shares on the next pop over 32. Hopefully, if it's got to get over 32. If it gets over 32, I'm going to sell out 500 shares. Having a tough time at 32. It might need a little bit more consolidating before it does successfully pop to 32, if it even wants to, for one. If it starts breaking back down below the price of 32, that's going to be my new exit. It was holding 32 pretty well there. So still holding long on Dropbox here. Looking for the 30, oh, it's, yeah, looking for a 32.20 previous high a day breakout now. It's inching there. It's trying to. Really trying. If it breaks that 32, I'm out. And it's got some support buyers there. Again, if 32 breaks, I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, it just did, and I missed the exit, so that's no bueno. All right, so I just got out fully, just flattened the order all out of that trade on that breakdown below 32. So sitting up $981 on the day. So pretty good day. Few little mishap trades I could have avoided to make it a better day, but hey, that's what it is. TTD is still ripping. Wish I would have just traded that one alone solely. I know, seriously. Yeah, good job for those of you that did in fact trade TTD. So I'm going to delete these old drawings off of Dropbox because they're kind of messing me up now that we are starting to trend upwards. We are starting to form into a potential ascending triangle breakout now, or pattern, shall I say. No telling if it does break out, but we are moving into an ascending triangle at this point. The only difference is it's coming off a downtrend, so we'll see. Roku's performing into a higher low, or sorry, lower high. This is something that I believe, yeah, I'm going to take, I just took Roku short. It is making a little bit of a lower high. So playing on the idea that we're doing a lower high and we're going to start breaking down the VWAP to the downside to possibly even test low of day or the previous low, which is at like 56.84. So currently holding short on Roku. Did take the low of the previous red candle. If it starts to break up and over this trend line I have on my chart, that's where I'm going to exit, because then that can result in it wants to push higher. Oh, come on, go the other way, go down, down. Come on, it's lower high. You rejected the 58 price point pretty strong. So still holding short Roku. It's getting close. Yeah, I got to take it off. It's breaking that trend line. So all out of Roku after it broke to that trend. AWX. Let's see. I haven't even looked at that once yet today. Look at the squeezing on AWX. All right. Let's put up AWX, see what's going on over there. I see just straight up and up and up. That's for sure. I'll keep an eye on this. OLED, it's kind of trending up, got a nice little push to the upside. Roku's still rejecting the $48 price point. There goes AWX trying to break to the upside. It's breaking over its trend. I do kind of want to long it, but I just don't trust it. That's a good setup. A lot of sellers there in AWX trying to hold it down. I'm going to take it long. Just hopped in long AWX with 3,000 shares for this push to the upside. Starting to squeeze a little bit. Sellers coming in trying to push it down. I'll give it a second here. See, look at that rejection already. It was a good little push. So still holding long AWX. So AWX trying to pull back on us. Would like to see it push up, obviously, back towards the high of 679. Going to be a little patient with this. I'm already down pretty big on the trade, which is okay. I mean, I'm anticipating with the share size and the way it's moving, I'm going to be down unless we get a nice pop. And she's starting to fail, getting a little nervy. So if it starts breaking down anymore, I'll exit and just take the hit. And there it goes. All out for a loss of $1,400. And that's why I should not have traded that. So instead of being up 1,200, just put myself down 1,000. That's okay, is what it is. I know the game. Well, there you have it.